Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in PixVerse, and we will take in this video the legit way. So we are not going to get the punishments by the websites, and yeah, we will do that in a regular way. Alright, so let's go into the PixVerse website. AI PixVerse.ai, and yeah, to get to this window I want you to sign in, of course. And if you don't have an account, I just want you to go into the sign up section, and right there you can create an account for free. After that, what you want to do, guys, is to go into the top right corner of that website and click on this icon right here, and I just want you to go into subscribe. Alright, the second option. And yeah, to do that you need to be subscribed to the website. So you need to pay some bills. Alright, so for example we will go with Pro, and it's the one that they recommend to you. And yeah, we will go into subscribe right here, and we will choose either we will go into Stripe, PayPal, or Alipay. That option is for the Asian people. Alright, so let's pick the PayPal and or PayPal, and we will go into subscribe. Alright, so right here, as you can see, you just need to follow the steps. You need to enter your informations of PayPal, and yeah, you will complete the your informations right there, and you will go into next, and yeah, you will pay for the Pro. It's for $24 a month. Alright, so that's it, guys. If the upgrading isn't an option, some users have explored alternative tools to remove watermarks. However, it's important to note that these methods may not be officially supported, and could potentially violate PixVerse term of service, as I told you in the beginning of the video. Always, as an advice, always ensure you have the right to modify and use the content in this way. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.